something from Halcyon in the last video. Lighting is key. Anyway guys, I hope you guys are having a great week. I don't usually plug in my merch. It would be huge support. These are actually the newest ones that are out. It says faster things with the Flipzco logo, the new Flipzco logo that just came out. And then it says right here, it says speed, pronunciation, a noun, and then it says the rate at which something is able to move or operate fast AF. And then here's the back. This is the last you guys are gonna hear for it. I don't wanna try and make it look like a damn commercial here. Definitely support the merch game. If you guys want a shirt, go on our website, flipzco.com, and we'll just continue to the regular scheduled video. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys repping these faster things shirts. We are at TD Bank right now, picking up some cash. And as we're picking up more parts of the DRIFTVETTE, I saw that this guy, he owns his own race team of C5 vets. He races the SEAA and stuff. I'm gonna see if it's okay with him to film first. Picking up money, gotta go get some gas, jump on the turnpike. We're about 2.5 hours away from this place, but it's well worth it if we're gonna be able to have all the body panels slapped back onto the Vette, maybe even cut out for the flares. Money in hand, ready to go. Alright guys, as I expected, it's always nice to ask before you just like walk into a certain spot and with your camera and just be disrespectful and whatnot. So we picked up a bunch of stuff. Joe is super cool. He kind of gave me a tour of his shop and showed me by far the most beautiful C5 that I've ever seen in the world. I'm not allowed to show it. I do have photos of it. I'm just gonna use that as inspiration, move forward with my build. Super cool dude. They do roll cages here. They have a ginormous shop. All of this whole building right here is their shop. So if you guys need some C5, C6, C7, and they also have C8s inside there, I'll link you guys up and I'll let you guys know exactly what's going on. For his privacy and the privacy of his shop, I did agree and tell him that I won't, you know, drop any names. I won't post anything on the internet, and I'm just more thankful of the fact that I took the 2-hour trip out here, and yeah, it is what it is. But we're going to head back to the shop right now and we're going to work things out. But other than that, I'm super pumped, and Joe is super cool, and I just have like a whole new vision for the C5, and it looks really good, guys. I hope you guys are going to like it, and then we'll see you guys when we get back. All right guys, we're back in the shop. Everything body panel wise will be back on the Corvette, and now we can actually focus on the main thing. We're going to focus on a harness bar, and we got to focus on seats, harnesses, and then we could actually take the car to the track. And it's not 100% complete, but I'd say 80%. Since Hector stopped by, we're going to stop by a shop in Union, and we're gonna get the Vette painted. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want the Vette color to be. We can go anywhere from candy apple red, gunmetal like what's on the hood and the front bumper, or we could even just go black and carbon fiber and yada yada yada, the whole nine. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want. And again, I'm very up in the air with what color I want to go with. Remember, the color of the wheels are bronze, the Kansai KMPs. So take that into consideration. But other than that, let me show you what we got. Over at Phoenix, hooked us up with quarter panels and front fenders. We needed the front fenders really bad. I'm glad that we got these. And then also, we are switching to pop-up headlights. All we need are the top pieces, and then after that we are all good to go. So we just need the covers, which we have one driver already. We just need a passenger, and then we're all done. Alright guys, so we got the headlights on. I'm pumped. What do you guys think about the new headlights? Do you like the old ones better, or do you like the flip-ups? Got them in the sleepy eye look right now. I didn't turn them on. Actually, we should try to turn them on to see if they actually work. They both on? Oh yeah, they look ugly as hell. Once I put the bumper on and the fenders on, we'll check it out again. It looks so good. I'm glad I went back to the OEM style because it's gonna feel more, put some oomph onto it. The thing that I'm missing right now is the headlight cover for the passenger side. The wiring still works, the bulb's still good, everything looks good, so let's just keep going and let's put this fender on. We can bring the car out and see it with all the body panels back on. All right guys, after a hot and humid day, it is 98 degrees, about to pour rain, so you could already tell it's super humid. Corvette or DRIFTVETTE is starting to look like an RX7 FD. Not even kidding, it looks so good right now. Next step would obviously be headlight cover, get a lip, a front lip. I want the C7 side skirts, kind of like how the Supra is, carbon, sticks out. Diffuser in the rear. I'm gonna do my research tonight, probably grab those fenders and slap them on here. Try and camber the rear, camber the front, because we're really not off by much. Obviously that's not straight, but that sticks out basically an inch, I would like to say. And in the rear, it's about 2 inches. And let me state this now before I get hated on by all the Vette owners. This is a drift car. This is a car that is going to be beat up. This is a car that hasn't been tested yet fully tested. We've been able to mess around and test the car and try the car out, but we haven't had a full test on like a track day where it made it past 3 laps. And when I say that, I don't mean it in a bad way. The car is great. There's just little things that wasn't set up for drifting that we just found out. Now, moving forward, now that we have all the body panels and the car doesn't look like a complete wreck, we are going to try and figure out if we can do some camber up in the front, what arms we have to run. Try and, yeah, it's 0 in the rear right now, but a little bit of camber will fit the stock fenders, and then we could go lower. I want this thing to be like a street daily car, but I also want it to be style. Like I want it to be full style over anything, and I want it to be the way I like it. I don't know what you guys think, if we should run a wing in the rear, or if we should just keep it nice and simple, nothing crazy. But I like how it's looking. I like the car right now. The flare obviously looks horrendous because it's not the same color, but it's either run the flare and paint it, but I don't really know how I like the front flare being on there. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I wanted to give full disclosure before I did anything. I don't even know where the other flare is. That's gonna be a problem. All right guys, last question of the day. Should we flare it? I mean, now that it's on there, with a spacer up front, it don't look that bad. It actually looks like it fits in a way. I already flared the rear. The only thing is we only have 1 set of rear fenders. So stock fenders with like trying to find camber or flare this thing. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I'm going home to edit this video. What we're missing right now is the interior. We've been working with Dane over at D&D to hopefully get some seats, full containment seats, or just actual bucket seats in reality. So we could have D&D inside. I want to work backward, even though I gutted this thing thinking that I was gonna cage it. Because like I said, I would like to enjoy the car before caging it, and it's a little late in the year to be trying to do a full SCAA or FD spec cage. Definitely grab a roll bar, harnesses, and just get out there, enjoy the car, learn the car, and then also over the winter we could either modify it, the motor, or just enjoy this platform in general and go into next year with a full roll cage and tandems. I'm sorry for 15 shades of gray or silver, gray, pewter, green, but I'm working as hard as I can to get this car out into paint and just enjoy. Also too, if you guys didn't know, I have a Virago. Cody's supposed to weld my subframe, and then we're gonna get the bike on the street. Once we could get the bike on the street, we could get some moto vlogs, and we have content there. We have content with the DRIFTVETTE, obviously the Supra, but I'm starting to like the gray theme. So maybe we'll just run this charcoal gray all the way around. But we'll see you guys on Sunday. Special thanks to you guys. We hit 25K. Thank you guys so much. If you guys want, pick up some merch on our store. And I can't thank you guys enough. We are actually starting to see the bigger picture. We want to hit 50K, we want to hit 100K, and we want to just keep pumping out content for you guys because we enjoy it. We love you guys, and honestly, we're just enjoying life right now. So please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Later.